we discuss important things you should know about wrongful death law. The once vibrant scenes of family moments are now shadowed by the stark absence, and the very fabric of daily existence is rewoven with threads of grief. Many people going through grief are watching this video. Like the video and write your condolences to support their journey. Consider the unopened birthday presents that will never find their recipient, the holiday traditions that now feel incomplete, and the empty chair at celebrations that once resonated with joy. Think of the missed milestones, graduations, weddings, and anniversaries, where the missing loved one serves as a reminder of what might have been. Visualize the family photographs that freeze moments in time, capturing smiles that now exist only in the realms of memory. The pain extends beyond the tangible, reaching into the intangible spaces of shared dreams and aspirations. It's the void left by unfulfilled plans, the ache of unrealized potential, and the enduring longing for conversations that will never be had. In the routine of daily life, the absence is felt keenly. The untouched belongings that once carried the essence of a person, the lingering scent that fades but never truly disappears, and the constant yearning for one more shared moment. Sadly, we can't undo the tragic incident. However, the law is meant to provide financial compensation instead. With over a decade of legal experience, we have had the great privilege of helping to win millions of dollars in the wrongful death field, and we offer you our deepest condolences. We are here to provide you with a completely free consultation, day or night. Call top wrongful death lawyer Jimmy Henai at 1-800-400-5050 or by visiting wrongfuldeathcenter.com, link in description and comments. Wrongful death lawsuits are legal actions generally initiated by surviving family members. Typically, it involves spouses, children, or parents. However, regardless of your relationship with the deceased, the significance of strategy in wrongful death cases cannot be overstated. It's a necessity to be vigilant about what is said, what is signed, and the meticulous exercise of due diligence. Much like a chess player considers every move with utmost care, making thoughtful moves can significantly influence the ultimate outcome. One crucial step is obtaining medical records. This process is simpler than you might think. Visit the hospital or the doctor's office. Sign a document confirming your relationship with the deceased, and by law, you're usually entitled to those medical records within a specified time frame. These records are essential for reviewing and investigating potential causes of action. Contrary to common belief, a wrongful death case typically doesn't hinge on an autopsy. Even without one, medical records, relevant police reports, expert testimony, and more can be used to establish the cause of death. The key is connecting this cause to someone else's negligence, allowing you to pursue a wrongful death case, whether or not an autopsy was performed. Police reports often serve as important pieces of evidence, documenting the circumstances surrounding the incident. They can provide an unbiased account of the events, detail witness statements, and include the responding officer's observations. We want to know if you disagree with anything written in the reports. Documentation can significantly impact the outcome of a wrongful death case, helping establish liability and supporting the legal arguments presented. It adds an objective layer to the emotional narrative, grounding the case in factual details that can strengthen the overall legal strategy. Determining heirs depends on the family structure at the time of the person's death. In some situations, people outside of the direct family might have a claim too. The Wrongful Death Act is designed to compensate you for your own personal loss. Understanding the types of damages you can pursue in a wrongful death case is essential. Compensation typically includes both a portion for economic damages, as well as compensation for non-economic damages such as pain and suffering. In the intricate pursuit of damages in wrongful death cases, the challenge lies in translating the depths of emotional loss into tangible expressions. It goes beyond the realm of what one feels in their heart, delving into what can be outwardly shown and expressed. The damages sought encompass more than financial compensation. They aim to capture the emotional resonance of the departed loved one's absence. It's an endeavor to articulate the unspoken, to convey the enduring impact on the fabric of family bonds, and to make tangible the intangible grief that accompanies such a profound loss. In this legal journey, the goal is not just to quantify the unquantifiable, but to vividly portray the emotional landscape left in the wake of a wrongful death. Additionally, preserving evidence related to the incident, such as photos and witness statements, is vital for a robust legal strategy. Photographs play a crucial role in wrongful death cases for several reasons. Firstly, they can serve as valuable evidence to establish the circumstances leading to the death, whether it's a car accident, a result of police brutality, defective product, building fire, medical malpractice, or another incident. Visual documentation can provide a clear depiction of the scene, potentially aiding in proving liability and negligence. Equally significant is the emotional impact of photos in conveying the depth of the survivor's pain and suffering. Images of the deceased with their loved ones capture the essence of their connection, showcasing the profound loss experienced by the family. Things like photos and receipts become powerful tools in illustrating the emotional toll of the wrongful death, influencing the understanding of the enduring impact on the survivors' lives. While the legal process may involve court proceedings, it's worth mentioning the possibility of reaching a settlement outside of court. One benefit of settling the case, instead of going through a lawsuit, is the potential for a quicker resolution. This can save both parties involved time, money, and added emotional stress. Additionally, settlements provide a degree of control over the outcome, allowing the people involved to negotiate terms that are mutually agreeable, rather than relying on a court decision that may not fully meet the preferences or needs of either party. On the other hand, one benefit of pursuing a lawsuit instead of settling a wrongful death case is further investigation into the facts and the potential for increased compensation. The decision to file a lawsuit or not usually depends on how successful the negotiations are beforehand. Furthermore, it's essential to recognize that in wrongful death cases, the focus isn't solely on the amount agreed upon in settlement, but also on the practicality of collecting that compensation. Successfully negotiating a settlement involves considering various factors. For example, the available insurance coverage, the financial assets of the defendant, and the potential for multiple parties seeking compensation. A comprehensive legal strategy aims not only to secure a fair settlement, but also to assess the feasibility of collecting the agreed upon amount. For example, it's important to know that there might be more than one type of insurance involved. It's also important to understand how legal fees are structured. Most wrongful death attorneys work on a contingency basis, where you do not pay the lawyer a penny upfront, and instead the attorneys are paid a percentage of the compensation received. Depending on your agreement, the fee typically increases after a lawsuit gets filed and again if the case goes to trial. Claims can become complex. Having an experienced lawyer on your side can make a positive impact on the outcome, allowing you to focus on your healing process instead of overly stressing about the legal battle. Learn more and get a free consultation with an experienced lawyer with over a decade of legal experience at wrongfuldeathcenter.com, or call day or night 7 days a week for a free case evaluation. Call toll-free 1-800-400-5050 in every step forward after loss. Remember the resilience that shapes your unyielding strength. Life's challenges, though tough, mold the extraordinary individual you are. Amidst the shadows of grief, a spark of hope persists, a guiding light urging you onward. Your bravery, endurance, and hope encourage the footsteps of countless others who've tread similar paths. As our narrative unfolds, thank you for sharing your personal journey. May your road ahead be adorned with continual healing, profound personal growth, and brighter days. Acting promptly is vital due to the statute of limitations. There's a time frame within which a wrongful death lawsuit must be filed. Additionally, timeliness is crucial for gathering evidence and establishing a cause of action. In the pursuit of justice, knowledge and understanding are your strongest allies. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more informative content. You can also get a completely free consultation through the link in the description. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.